Okay, so we are live and I need to check on other platform. So I should be live on the Instagram, no, on the LinkedIn first. So first, let's see on LinkedIn. Cool. So we are live on LinkedIn. Good. Next, YouTube. Let's check on YouTube if we are live here on YouTube or not. Mhm. On YouTube also. Finally, let's go live on Instagram. This is the first time I'm doing Instagram live. Interesting, really interesting. And this I'm doing with StreamYard. This StreamYard, yard, nice name. And it seems like, yeah, people are joining. So we are going to talk about the AI agent today. But if you have joined, just let me know in the comment section. Hello, how are you? Kind of things. Or just introduce yourself with your name, what you do. Just do that here so that we can actually have the session started. Session live started. Okay, so Manpreet is here. Hello, Manpreet. So what's happening, Manpreet? Who else is here? Please comment. Then we will start talking about the AI agent. And this live is not any kind of screen sharing. It's just like talking one to one, maybe. So what you need to do is you need to ask questions related to the AI agent, what you want related to the AI. Just let me know your question in the comment section, and I will try to give my best answer as I can. Great. On Instagram, many people have joined. Looks like Instagram is great from Kashmir. Hello, sir. Then who else is there? I have joined on Instagram. This, uh, I'm working as the assistant professional computer science. Nice, nice, Aditya. Okay, tell me the best course for computer vision for free. I don't know, for free, the computer vision course. Pursuing BCA final year. Okay, good, good. Nice. So that's really great. So again, I'm saying like if you have any question related to the AI, um, related to agent, I'm here for answering your question and learning from you also because that happens when you have a discussion or kind of session. So see for yourself. I'm here too. I'm Aditya. Hare Krishna. We draw see for yourself and good project for final year check strength related to the AI agent. For student, I believe try to automate anything which is having a lot of API connections. So if you have something where a lot of API connections are happening, then try to do that with the AI agent. On Instagram, Harry Agrawal says, I'm front-end engineer and I'm feeling that AI is replacing the role of front-end because using please guide us how can I upgrade to grow in the era of AI. So see, yes, you're right. Like front-end designing part, all that thing are really good at the AI. But you know what? It is good for getting started. Again, whenever you want to create a professional website or application, you need to get started with a Figma design, and then you need to process that wireframe and then creating the component. Now, on every level. You need to see how you can use the AI to get things done super quick. So it's not going to happen like AI is replacing entire front end engineer team. It's going to happen if you have 10 people for the front end in a front end task, then it would be just two. And what these two will be going to do is not hard, really writing the code. These two front-end engineers will doing all the wireframe, Figma designing, and then component designing, and then everything on that. But using the so you need to actually see what are the tools you can use, the AI tools you can use to complete the task which required generally 10 hour, 20 hour, which you can do that with 10 minutes or 20. So if you can do that, you can upgrade yourself in the era of AI. So hello, myself, Ashish Taylor. I'm web developer. Good. Please introduce yourself and let me know your question related to AI, AI agent, and anything related to the AI. Cool. Many people have joined. A lot of comments are here. I'm a front-end engineer. So how should I use AI? I just decided need to figure out the tools or AI, how AI can be helpful for you. I'm presently teaching at ABPS Engineering College, Ghaziabad, having teaching experience of 12 years. Wow. See for yourself. It's a huge, 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 I can say, experience. Amazing. That's really cool. Okay, so what else? Who is here on YouTube? If you are on YouTube, just let me know your name and where are you from and what's your question related to the AI and AI agents. That's really great. So someone is from Ranga from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, very welcome, warm welcome from uh, Sri Lanka. That's really great. Cool, cool, cool. Oops, what happened? Okay, so next let's see what happening here on Instagram. So on Instagram, dum, 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 no more questions from people. I ask people to I encourage you guys to ask me question related to your AI and AI engineer, AI agents. Someone saying, Tech Chitendra. Hi, Sarthak sir. How are you? I'm good, Chitin. How are you? How's AI shift going on? And how you are preparing yourself to move into the AI world? This is really, really important. So, can I talk to you live on stage? On which stage? So, Mamu Sarkar, hi sir, Rohan from Haryana. Great, from Haryana, Rohan. What you are doing, Rohan? Okay, so C4 self, can I come up on your stream yard? C4, yes, yes, sure, you can come. If you want, just let me know. I can give you something which you can join on this StreamYard to have a one-to-one discussion. Okay, so guest can stream this to their destination. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to share a link which you can guys use to come to the StreamYard directly so that I can pick the people and have one-to-one conversation. Great. I think the mic was sitting there. I need to put the mic here. So how's the voice now? I believe previously it was not good. I forgot to put the mic. Anyways, okay, okay.
So let's see. Let's go to the StreamYard. I have invited some people and let's see who come and let's have the discussion. Okay, so I can tell you one thing like AI agent. Remember the James Bond? Okay, so I'm talking about the James Bond because let's talk about the AI agent. What are AI agent? And to understand what are AI agent, I can give you an analogy. Remember the James Bond. Who is basically a James Bond? James Bond is a agent, right? Obviously, he is a secret agent. And there is an agency like the seniors of the 007, the James Bond. Now, what happened to the James Bond? James Bond gets some task from their higher agency. And task would be something like go to a country, get a nice heroine or girlfriend, kill the villain, and make sure to defuse the bomb, or just you need to um, have some lot of money and kind of like 4 or 5 tasks. Now during that period, whenever the James Bond movie is started, he got the task, but then how the James Bond is doing all that task is not defined. Like how he is going to the country, how he is going to have fun with his girlfriend, how he is going to kill the villain, or how he is going to save the world. All of that thing will be decided by James Bond, not by any other person. So in that case, basically what happened is on an agent level, you define the task. So I know Aditya Hare Krishna is waiting. So sorry, I need to finish this and then I will allow you to join. So the James Bond is an agent. That James Bond got some task, and now the James Bond is going to decide how he is going to execute the task. And this is the actual agent definition. So when you come to the AI agent is a piece of software that can perform some task, or that can complete some task. And how agent is going to complete the task is defined by the LLM, the AI. So the piece of software uses the intelligence of the AI to decide the steps to complete certain tasks. And that's what AI agent mean. Okay, so that's a very, very simple, I can say, definition I have given for the AI agent. Now, I think I need to allow one guest who is waiting for a long time. Okay, and let's see the conversation with him. Okay, now if you have any doubt related to the AI agent, let me know. We will going to have discussion. Cool. So now, hello,
Hello,
Aditya. How?
Sarthak. I do love your content on Instagram. You are a fire in case of
Thank you.
agentic AI.
Thanks,
And
Aditya.
when I see your videos, I consider myself the student of computer science rather than being a teacher and a faculty of computer
Oh,
science.
wow.
So, nowadays, like as I told you that I'm in the ABS Engineering College. So I joined, I think in the May, 19th of May. Before that, I was in Sharda and different colleges. This is my fifth
Wow.
job.
Superb.
So, what I see now that computer science is that field that changes that the changes happening in computer science are so rapid that every second new technology comes up, new announcement comes up, and we thought that we what we studied in our textbooks, in our notebooks, in our curriculum, that has become so obsolete that that is not to be discussed now. That has gone
Yes.
beyond discussion. So one of the students are like, many of the students are rare, and in final year, that colleges only give them the students, they give them the facilities of going into internships, of go for look for the job, rather than study these subjects of typical engineering subjects, which are so boring and so plenary that the faculty and the students both become bored
Yes.
teaching and the learning. So, can you please give me some inputs, some top five job opportunities as my students of second year, third year, or final year that can start preparing for those specific roles which are so happening and which are not related to the US tariffs and job cuts? That too, as well.
So,
So, yeah, that is
too
my
many
question for you.
constraints.
Yeah, subject to constraints. Yes, we do like
Right.
that.
Okay, so first of all, thank you for coming to this live. It's really, really my pleasure to have a discussion with you, a faculty of a reputed college with so great experience. I'm really honored. So, considering your question, you want to know like what are the tips I can give to the second year, third year student in for their career in this era of AI, right? Now, see what happened is, as you said, everything is changed. There is no value of degree, right? There is no value of textbook knowledge. There is no value of that 4 years of learning.
Yeah,
Everything is just gone, flushed out. Why I'm saying this? Because nowadays we have so many fields where students can go that you cannot decide like if you have 4 years every semester like 8 semester every semester has a five, let's say, core subjects, so 5 8 40. So even after learning about that 40 subject, a student can end up doing something totally crazy and not at all related to that 40 subjects. So in the era of AI, not just for the software engineers, in any field or any engineering field, let's just talk about the engineering. So if you're on mechanics, find out what are the tasks can be automated or can be done efficiently and faster using the AI. If you're on civil, if you're from civil engineer, find out the ways AI can help you because AI now has the vision, AI now has the hearing ability, it has the intelligence. So in any field, whatever field you are having, just see what are the things can be done with the AI better than humans. If they can figure this out, work on the two existing tool. So see, um, I'm from this computer science field, or I'm also from the electrical engineering field. So in the electrical engineering field, you need to figure out like what are the wattage, what are the power factor, how this is going to impact when the electricity voltage goes really really high. So all
hmm,
these calculation, we have the software for doing that. So
yeah,
instead of feeding all that things manually, what if AI can scan the let's say transformer and figure out the points where AI feels like something is wrong, feed it directly to the software, and then software do the calculation and give the result to AI, and finally AI will give the natural language response, like what is the problem in the transformer. So, so there are tools. If there is no tool, then create it. So
okay,
these things their students need to do. Now, this is obviously they can only do when they have knowledge about the AI. So first of all, they need to learn whether you're from in like civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, whatever is your field, even from the art, like any field, you need to know what are AI agents, sorry, AI and LLMs, how it performs,
Yeah.
what are their capabilities. Because if you don't know the power of AI, you will not able to figure out like, okay, this I can do this with the AI in a better way. So first of all, they need to learn about the AI, what AI is, how LLM work, and once they have this knowledge, try to get internship as
Mm.
quickly as possible in their respective field where the AI is implemented. Because if you like it or not, next 5 year, every field, every every domain, every industry will going to have huge impact because of the AI.
Yeah.
So step one, get the knowledge of AI. Step
Okay.
two, get an internship in a company where AI is implemented to do some task.
Mm-hmm.
Step three, while learning about the AI, while doing the task on your internship, figure out what are the things you can convert with the help of AI. Because now you know what AI can do, you know how to do because you are doing the internship. Now apply that on daily life.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these three steps can actually make up their mind in and build their professional life for the future. It's not just about, it's not a straightforward things like study these three books and you will be a professional
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
you'll get a job. So it's not like that. So future is future's job will not come because of the degree. Future's job will come because of the skill and the ability to change, disrupt something. So
Mm-hmm.
that's what I think uh, your strength need to do.
Yeah, because today nowadays, like even in digital marketing, the
Yeah,
concept of search engine optimization is obsolete now. Now
exactly.
the people are looking for LLM EO, LLM engine optimization. So your content must be searchable in AI answers now.
Yes.
So I was telling previously on a Friday when I was taking lecture in the morning half, and I was telling my students that SEO is gone now. If you want to work on LLM, you can work on it, and now focus on LLM EO. That
Yes.
is the one that is the easiest part. You can just learn about LLM. You can just check that how your content must be coming up in any LLM, any chatbot, anywhere. If you just type in of the certain my content on my C4 channel is related to every subject. Like I've taught microprocessors, IoT, operating systems, computer architecture. So if anyone wants to search on for these courses and subjects, not on Google now. Google has become obsolete, and there are people are searching on Perplexity, people are
Yes.
searching on ChatGPT. Find me the and they have the web search feature as well on ChatGPT 5, 4, 4,
Correct.
4.5, 4 models as well. But and now they are searching for that. So can I create a custom agent or custom GPT that I can give all the data I have scrape. I'll scrape my channel page. I'll provide it to the AI, and then try to create that. Okay, find me something from this channel. Find me something from topic. So it may come up the topic and the video or any short or any
Yes.
post related to that. So
Yes.
can a student create that,
I
or can
can
I
say
do
this
that?
is
Not from student. Can I do that?
obviously, and even this is damn simple that anyone who has little knowledge of AI, little knowledge of web can do it. And why I'm
Hmm.
saying this, because even if you don't know how to create an AI agent, you can just go to ChatGPT and type, I want to create an AI agent using Python. This is the steps this agent is going to do. Give me a single Python file with everything on it. Once you have it, copy and paste on some main.py, run it, your agent is ready. You don't need to do anything.
And
That's
where
the
to
power
deploy
of
these?
AI.
If I want this to be deployed on any server, that should be running up in a free server like that.
Yes,
So
yes.
where do I deploy it?
See, this is a question I'm getting lot of times. Like AI agents are nothing crazy. It's just a piece of software. The real magic happen on the LLM level. And what we
Yeah,
are using for LLM, the API call to OpenAI.
yeah,
So if you just remove the concept of LLM from your mind, the whole AI agent system is just another web app like Django app,
it's a front
Fast
end. It's a
API app.
front end. Yeah, it's a front end. It's a face. It's a UI. Just that it's a simple
There is a
UI.
UI where you do
And the back
something.
end is
There is a
LLM.
backend
Yeah,
which performs some API call. There is a
yeah.
database which stores some data. That's it.
Hmm.
What this is? This is a web app. But the
Yeah,
magic happens when you call the OpenAI API,
yeah.
and that intelligence come back and instruct the agent to do something. So the real magic is not on the creating AI agent. It's happening on the LLM level, which we have not created. So
Yeah.
anyone who has a little knowledge can create the AI agent. It's really, really easy. And
And also, I
and the
would like
example,
to
uh,
pardon me,
sorry,
pardon me.
sorry, and the example you
No, please
have
continue.
given to
Yeah.
scrap the YouTube channel, convert it, ask the question, it's damn easy with all the basics knowledge of LLM, the RAG, the scraping, and like all the basics of the AI engineering or AI development is here, which anyone can do that. Super easy. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, I was also like, if I don't know if you know that many of the colleges, institutes are now becoming autonomous,
Yeah.
especially in the Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad section in Lucknow as well as.
Hmm.
So with becoming having the autonomous status, what the colleges are doing right now, they are removing those courses which are not required now. They are now focused on placement ready courses. And by placement, I do not mean the especially to the AI and robotics field. Moreover, they are focused on full stack developments. Still, the
Mon
I'll be
stack.
teaching that. Yeah, full no, mon stack and mean stack. All right, both of them.
Mon mean.
And still, they are focused on creating HTML files, CSS, GitHub. All right, I will start teaching that from Monday tomorrow onwards.
Oh,
So
how boring that
that,
was to just to
yeah,
teach.
yeah. And after all these three, that Git is to be placed, the GitHub repository, the students do not know anything. They are coming from first year, coming into the second year, that is third semester. They do not have any idea of what Git is. What is they may have read about HTML, they may have heard about CSS. I don't know what is happening right now. Students are becoming clueless right in the
Ye-
start of their engineering career, in the during the phase of their studies. Also, after the number four step is your JavaScript, Node.js, and then moving on to MongoDB, and then
See,
coming up with the and the another and what I think, the teachers, the myself included, I because I've been I my field is IoT and data science, so I
wow.
am doing this for the first time. I have never, like, my mind wanders around this. I do not understand this. मेरे मेरे को समझ नहीं आता जब वो
Got it.
सब समझ में आएगा तो मैं करूँगा. अब
Got it.
करना पड़ेगा. I have to do that because I need to prepare myself to prepare my students. So, so regarding that, so itna that is so boring stuff, and people are still clinging on to this. The deans of the colleges, having experience of 20-25 years, the heads of departments, the management of the colleges, they have only two things. That when I was in interview with the management, there are two levels of interview, right, for every faculty also. First, your director and the heads, they interview you regarding your knowledge and all, and then come up the management interview. In management, they have two things. If you are from data structure field, so they'll ask you, what is your lead code score? If you are from data science field, they will ask you, have you done any competitions on Kaggle? But these two things are there. Only these
They,
two things are there.
so
So I
see,
want to show my students that you can do this stuff at home as well. But
so
I want to
the
give them the idea of this current field, which are that is being overlooked.
right. The problem here is because the people who are running the college even don't know what's happening. They
And they
have
think
like
they know better. I confronted them during the session of that we have training of teachers, TOT. All right. So I taught previously with this course, and I just consulted my sir. This is not happening. It was, this topic will be requiring 6 hours or 7 hours instead of 4 or 3 hours. So they आप ज़्यादा जानते हैं, आप आपको लगता है आप ज़्यादा जानते हैं, आप मेरी बात सुनिए. Simple. They will just shut you with that.
no. So why they are doing this? I know every institute or college is not providing education. They are running a business.
Yeah.
So in the business, what matters? Revenue. Only thing matters is revenue. For the revenue, they don't care what students are learning. They don't care how their students are performing. They have no responsibility. They have only one responsibility. If last year we had like 1000 students, this year we need 1200. That's the only thing they want.
Yeah.
And this is what they market. This is what they showcase. They don't showcase
Yeah.
our out of 1000 student 900 students created something crazy on the AI. No, what they market out of 1000, they even don't say 1000. They just say these are the 4 students got 20 lakh package, 30 lakh
Yeah.
package.
That is happening. That is happening. Yeah.
So why they are doing? Because they are marketing.
Yeah. They
If
are marketing.
something is marketing, why we are marketing? Why we market something? Because we want to grow the revenue. And if we are
Yeah.
focused totally on the revenue, go to the hell education.
Yeah.
And that's the reality of Indian education system. Not only
That is
in the
what we are
college,
lagging. Yeah.
that's also happening on the school level.
Yeah.
Every
That is.
private school is running a business. They are not at all a educational institute. They are a business company, business institute.
Hmm.
So that's why they are focusing more on how their student look, who is like who is the parent. If the parent is an industrialist, then they are good. Okay, you got the admission, because then they can like market our is our is we have a student from the
Hmm.
parent who are running this
Hmm.
500 crore company. They are
Hmm.
from something like some politician student. So that is really happening, and this is why everything is messed up. And
Hmm.
who is actually paying? The real student. A student
Hmm.
feels like, okay, if I study 4 year, I'll get real good job. No, if you study 4 year, you will going to get worse to worse job, or even sometime you will not going to get the job. So
That is what happening. Yeah.
this is happening, Aditya. I just want to take 1 minute,
Yeah.
and I want to appreciate Jitendra. Jitendra just gave 179 rupees super chat, and last last YouTube live was also amazing. Jitendra was on fire. He gave like 4 5 super chat, and I was really happy. And again, I'm saying like 179. The price, the amount doesn't matter. What matter is like he is
The
really
support, the support
the support.
matters.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly. So Aditya can understand this when you get a super chat on YouTube, how happy you feel as a YouTuber.
yeah.
You can understand things. So
That's why
thank you very
YouTube
much.
gave this feature.
Yeah, thank you very much,
I am
Jitin.
on
Thank
YouTube
you.
since 2017. So
Oh, I'm
that's
also
why,
from.
because I have a kid of teaching, so I can never stop teaching. So even if
Great.
someone tells me not to teach that, I will certainly teach that to those students in Hindi language, so that the real struggle comes from the small towns, from the villages, not from the privileged class of this Delhi NCR, Punjab, and the
Yes,
people
yes,
from great households. They have everything. They have the silver
correct.
spoon, and still they are not prepared to pursue their career in what they should do. They are just going as a sheep would go behind another sheep.
Exactly, exactly.
What they are doing
Right.
that. So let's join hands, and thank you, Sarthak, for allowing me to
It's
talk, allowing me to converse, allowing me to put up my opinion on your beautiful platform. So thank you so much. Let's talk, and let's if you can look at my channel as well, then we
yes.
can
I
talk as well.
When you first messaged, I just opened the tab, search for C4 yourself, and I got your YouTube channel. I saw that, and then when you asked for the joining, I immediately sent the link. So
So thank you
it
so
was
much.
really, really
I thought that you're
pleasure.
so quick. We are by default agentic AIs, huh? Natural AIs working together. Huh? All right,
Correct, correct.
that's what agentic AIs do, and you can see the Comet browser is an example, which is given
Comment
by
browsers,
that is
amazing.
excellent browser. That is just you tell them what to do, and that your browser will do something like that. And it's
Have you
come from
tried
that.
D? Have you tried
Yeah.
Dia browser? It's also agentic.
Let
DIA.
me check.
Just
D I
search for
Daya
DIA.
Daya. Yeah, Daya.
Yeah,
I've used
Dia
that
or
Daya browser.
Dia. Is
I
it
call it Daya.
DIA or
It,
DAI?
DIA, Daya. It's Daya.
Dia, Dia,
But
Dia.
I used Comet, and I found Comet better than Daya, as
Oh,
per my
really?
experience.
I'll
Yeah,
see. I'll try.
Comet is way faster, and I've been using this browser because I have its parent version, that is Arc. The company
Uh,
which is giving you the Arc browser, the same company
yes,
has launched Comet.
the browser company.
Yeah, the browser company.
The company name is browser company.
Yeah, the company name is browser, and it's so simple
Oops,
to. Okay,
electricity
the light
issue.
cut is there.
Just a minute.
Yeah,
This is what happened when you do YouTube live.
yeah, that happens. Yeah, that really happens, and I
Okay,
understand that.
I forgot
So,
to turn on the lights, extra lights.
so
Okay,
then that's a very good browser. I used it. So I was on the
okay,
waiting list for the Windows, and it is available on Mac. So you can download and you can use it, and I've
we'll
used it.
try.
But right now, I do not have a use for it. I do not require, because I'm just a old-fashioned guy, 90s kid. I do stuff my own way. I'm by default I am agentic. By default, I do not take another agent to do my job. I'm not that lazy, because some people ask me, my students also say, "Are you lazy? You tell your AI to do everything for you. Are you lazy?" Because a little bit, I have to become lazy for my AI to work for me. So
Right.
that is what
So,
happening.
yeah, Aditya. So we get one message or comment, I can say.
Yeah,
Eric
Eric.
says,
Yeah,
like,
Eric said,
commit
comment.
dia arc.
What are the
What
browsers?
are the browsers? So, Eric, so Comet, Dia, and Arc. So Arc is just yet another browser. So we have a Chrome, Firefox, Brave. Arc is like just having different designed browser. But the company behind the Arc is the browser company. Literally, the name of the company is Browser Company. Now, what this browser company did is they created another browser called DIA. I call it Dia, Adit call it Dia, whatever you want to call, but DIA browser is an AI browser. That means you can use AI on any of the tab or any of the website. I have actually created a Dria browser video bitfumes. I've created a video here, which I'm just going to share on the chat. so that you can actually see what is the power of dia. Now, coming to the Comet, you know, Perplexity, the company Perplexity has come up with its own browser called Comet browser. Now, Comet browser is totally AI plus agentic browser. It has the agentic ability. Now, I have not tried it, but Adit said this is better than DIA browser. So these two browsers are really powerful AI browser right now. I am not using any AI browser just for one thing, for the security reason. I
Yeah.
don't trust these browser because you cannot trust browser. And if a browser has AI, you can't tell what's happening behind the scene,
Yeah.
because AI can steal anything, whatever you see, whatever you are browsing, everything can be sent over to the real browser company. Not like the browser company, like the company behind the browser.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm not using it, but later on, I believe I
And there's a
can
nano
use.
browser as well. You launched a video 2 months back regarding nano browser as well.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
can
yeah.
you
That
please tell us
was
a little bit about that as well?
that's actually not a entire
That is
browser.
agentic AI browser. Again, that's the
It's
same
an
agentic AI.
extension. It's an
Okay.
extension, and
Okay.
nano extension says like you can ask to perform some action. So if I say go to the Amazon, search for the iPhone, and add it to the cart, all of these things that nano extension can do. So that's the power of it. Again, while using that, you need to make sure you accept the privacy and policy things. There's a trust issue right now,
And
but
no
I
one reads the
believe
privacy policy. No one reads that.
no one reads that. But everyone knows something bad is happening behind the scene.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
when something is having the AI power and it can do something wrong, you need to be really really like secure. So that's why I believe it will be fine very soon. But since it's really the starting of these browsers and everything getting the AI thing, that's why.
And
Jiteng is
now
saying like
regarding,
Google
yeah,
is also now integrating AI into browser. Yes, Google
yes,
announced that they will going to add the
they
Chrome.
have to. They have to. They feel that they're
Yeah,
lagging behind Google.
exactly,
And they are
exactly.
threatened by these upcoming agentic AI browsers, and they feel that Chrome will become obsolete if they do not act fast. That is what
Exactly,
happening.
exactly. That's why they are doing this. Great, great,
And
great.
I also use just a suggestion. Anyone can try out. The listeners are listening in that even if some page comes up with the privacy policy and all that, it's ask you to allow. All right, you can do that. You can just copy that text, put into ChatGPT, and give a short summary that is this safe or not. And in this
Good.
way, it will give you this what is it, unbiased opinion that
Yes,
if you do this will safe, it will do this, if it will not be that safe, just from suggestions from that AI as well, then you can do that before allowing it, before accepting the agreement, the policy agreements. You can do that. You can
got it.
use AI to check out the policy agreements, and that is what happens with the use of blockchain in smart contracts.
Hmm.
That is
Right, right.
automatically fetched, and the contracts are saved in the blockchain, and they are verified peer-to-peer verification. After that, AI is there in behind the scenes and then telling you, okay, this is fine, these are the rules that are
Wow.
being followed or not, that is followed or not.
Great.
That is
That's
what
really
happens.
nice. This is these are the things which is actually um, making our life better in
Yeah.
the AI world. I can say that's great, Adit. So I
Thank you so
think
much, Sarthak.
it's now time to end this live. It was really really nice conversation with you, and
Thank you.
I believe I need to do these kind of live where I should allow some guests to come and have a discussion.
StreamYard allows you only one or two people. Okay, StreamYard in the free version allows you only one or two people on the
I
platform on the
actually have
stage.
a I have a paid version. I don't know how many I
Okay,
can
you
allow.
use paid version. You can use paid version. That is not the case, but I can give you the alternative as well. I have used StreamYard and I've used Restream.io. You can just check it
Okay,
out.
let me see.
Restream.io.
Restream. I have heard about it.
In the free
Okay.
version, you can call up to six people on your platform. With the paid
Mhm.
version, that is much less costlier than the StreamYard. You can have up to 10 people and you can get an all around discussion with the students, with the professionals, with everyone on board.
Wow. Great.
And you can either you have the ability to either record it like StreamYard gives you that, or you can go directly live on your channel.
Live. Nice. I'll surely try that. But
I've tried multiple times because I sometimes I did live streams on Sundays 9:30 p.m. and
uh-huh.
during those live streams I played a free game called play.freerice.com, and it's a simple quiz website. It's by UN's food World Food Program, and for every right answer you are donating 10 grains of rice to the people in
Mm,
need. And you
nice.
can learn anything. You can learn English vocabulary, grammar, flags of the world, geography, history,
Good, good.
any new language, anything you can learn. By learning, you are contributing 10 grains of rice with every right answer.
Nice, nice.
You can just check it
Okay,
out as well. You can play with your
great.
audience as
Sure,
well.
sure. We'll try. I will try. That's great.
Play.freerice.com. I can give that in the chat. You
Yes,
can
yes,
just
yes.
check it out. Play.freerice.com.
Okay, so Adit, once again, thank you very much
Thank you.
for joining this live. I'll try to get you back to this live maybe sometime later. Okay, and
Okay,
we'll
sure.
decide some great topic to talk about, and then we will have a good discussion. Thank you, Adit.
Thank you so much.
See
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you everyone for
Thank
bearing
you.
with me, bearing with
Yeah, it
a
was
boring
really
teacher, boring
good. No, no,
faculty.
not at all.
Don't be. Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Sarthak. Thank you everyone
Bye bye.
for the love and
Bye bye.
support. Bye bye.
Okay, so that was Adit, and it was really nice, fun talking to him and talking about all these new things, what's getting good, what's not. Everything is really fun. And I just have like 5 minutes more. And if you guys want to get into this live just to say hi to me or just to have any discussion with me, you can directly come to the link I have given here on the YouTube. If you're on LinkedIn, if you're on Instagram, just um, get into the YouTube to fetch the link to join this stream, and then we will have a discussion here. As I said, like I just have a 5 to 10 minute to finish this live stream, and if you want, you can get in right now. Okay, so I just again want to thanks Jitendra because he is doing incredible job to support me every time I do live. He just give super chat. It's an incredible thing to show that how interesting, how valuable the content I'm providing is to him. If you are facing this kind of experience, like if you feel that my contents are valuable to you, I'm not asking you to give the super chat. If you want, you can, but at least you can hit subscribe if you have not yet, or you can just hit like to this live. That's it. That's it I want. And very soon, I'm going to start a podcast. It's going to be a technical podcast on this channel. And I don't know if this channel or maybe on another channel, but that will be a Sarthak Savvy show. We will going to have many amazing guests on our podcast. So If you want, you can give suggestion to me on my email at sarthak@betfunes.com. Okay, so let's get back. So I'm going to remove this notification. Eric is having one question. So I think nobody has joined because I'm going to close this very soon. So people were thinking that I can what they will going to do for 5 minutes. So Eric's question is, any suggestion for offline AI chatbot for solving coding question? Now, this is a good question. Why? Because there are really great keywords. Offline AI, chatbot, coding questions, solving coding questions. So see, Eric, we can run for 50 GB storage. So Eric, everything end up with the inference of the AI. We have a lot of open source LLM models. We have llamas, we have Gemma from Google, lot of open source models we have. But when you come to inference, what's the inference means? Basically deploying and get answer from the LLM is really costly. You can have you can actually host these model, but then you need the GPU to run that. You need the RAM, you need huge storage. As you said, like 50 GB storage is you have, but that's again not enough. So I believe you can do that with the Olama, running any LLM model, deploy it to server. But again, with that, you need the GPU support, which is costing you huge. So I don't know if this is answer to your question, but that's what my concern is about. And uh, talking about the efficacy, if it is possible or not, yes, 100% this is possible. Okay. Hey, great. I can see something crazy. I can see C4 yourself, the person, Aditya, just had amazing discussion and he gave 501 super chat. Once again, the super chat amount doesn't matter. What matter, how he is supporting me, how valuable my content is to him. And once again, I'm saying, if you feel that something is some value I'm getting, if you get anything good from this channel, from this live, you can start with super chat. If not, subscribe. If already done, like this video. If you have done everything, then share this video or any of my video to your friends and tell them how great this channel is. Great. Once again, Aditya, thank you not just for this super chat, but for joining and having a great conversation. I love that. Okay. Now, Jiten says, I have watched a lot of your Laravel videos as well when I was new to the ID field. Jiten, that's really incredible. Thank you for your support. Every time you do, it's it feels like someone is there who is watching and appreciating my content, and that makes me motivation. Great. So Eric final says, thank you for the live. Hope you enable your podcast for Spotify when you start. Definitely, I will do that. Okay, guys. So time to finish this YouTube live. It was really amazing and have great conversation with Aditya. I will make sure next time I'll allow some other person in this YouTube live, one-to-one talking. We'll have great. Okay. So before closing, one question. Muhammad Sad says, "What is vibe coding or AI agent?" So AI agents are totally different thing. Vibe coding is totally different thing. See, I just have 3 minutes left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to describe you vibe coding, which is very simple. See, vibe coding is a term coined by, I think, Andre. Vibe coding coined by Yes, Andre Karapathy. So Andre Karapathy coined this term vibe coding, which basically means whenever we are coding, we are not actually writing the code. We tell the AI what to do, and then the AI is actually going to write the code. What is vibe coding? Like what my vibe is. I've just described that in a natural language, and then I complete the coding task, which is actually written by the AI. So that's what vibe coding means. Without writing a single line of code, if you are writing a piece of software using the AI, boom, it's called vibe coding. Great, great. Okay, so this is great. So AI agent, I just give you a very simple definition. AI agent is a piece of software that uses LLM as intelligence to perform certain tasks. Simple, very simple. It's a piece of software which can perform some task, but how it's going to perform the task is defined by LLM, because LLM has intelligence. It can see what to do, what not, and then LLM do according to the instructions given by the AI. Cool. That's the only thing. Okay, so one more, Saurabh Mishra. So Saurabh sir. So by the way, people who don't know Saurabh sir, I call him sir because we met at a coaching institute where I was teaching physics. He was teaching math. He's really great. So thank you for your support. Thank you for this comment. Anyways, Hemant, bro, long time no see. Yes, I'm back on live. I am back on the live thing. Long time no see. Yes, I was really busy. I'm not saying busy. I was totally have more different priorities than YouTube. But now I'm back. I'm back. Great. That's good to see you. Good to see you, Hemant. Good to see you. Really, really nice. Guys, it's time now to finish and end this live because this is what I actually want to do right now because it's over than an hour. Okay. So I can see Harsh Manwar on LinkedIn. No, sorry, Instagram. It's on Instagram. Hey Harsh, how are you? I can see here you joined my live, and it's really, really nice to see you. Cool, cool. I got some message from Eric. Thanks, Ayaz. Have a day and night. It's night, by the way. Eric, where are you from, by the way? Okay, so yeah, even I did, bro. I want to switch. Can you help me? Yes. Tell me what you want to switch. Where you want to switch? Like AI. So MIR Ali, I'm calling him Ali. He said like, what is Flowwise? Flowwise AI. I have heard about it. I checked. I checked. Already checked this. Open source agentic system development platform. Never tried it, never heard. I heard about it, never tried it, never used it. Interesting. Nice piece of software. I need to try it out. I'll see what this is. I don't know right now. Okay. Can I connect with you on LinkedIn, sir? Muhammad Sat says, yes, you can connect. Um, Yeah, great. I'm from Delhi. I was wishing the chat when I used Delhi. I was wishing. So Eric says something like this. I'm not clear. I'm from Delhi. Eric, I was saying the chat when I use Delhi. Okay, Eric, thank you. Anyways, so guys, time to finish this live, and thank you everyone for joining. And we will meet and in the next live, maybe very soon on next Saturday or Sunday. It can be happen on any day. So that's great. See you next time. I'm going to see just have a look on different other platforms. So I'm going to first end the Instagram live. Why? Because I need to manually do it. The StreamYard don't do this. So end video and live video. So on Instagram, this is done. And I don't want to share the video. So I'm going to discard the video. Great, great, great. Okay. So that's good. Now let's get back to the StreamYard and end this live. Ta-da! Bye-bye.